America with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
The weather cooperating on this Thanksgiving so far. Just cold and dry, though we do have some rain on the way. But live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar, at least locally, not finding it. And really a better part of the nighttime hours should be on the dry side as we take a look at it, not finding any precipitation. Obviously, it's chilly, so with moisture moving in later on this evening and during the overnight, well to our north and west, it may start off briefly as a light frozen mixture for maybe an hour or two, some sleet and freezing rain, but even up here it's going to go over to all rain as mild air takes over. There are winter weather advisories up in central and northern New England, so the rain moves in tonight, later tonight, some wet shopping weather for a portion of Friday, and then drier weather coming up for the weekend. Mostly cloudy in Providence right now, the temperature at 40, on a west breeze at 3, humidity is extremely low. It's down to 23%, so again, hard to create any precipitation when at least the low levels of the atmosphere are very dry. Till that humidity comes up, it'll be hard to get any precipitation in here this evening. 38 in Smithfield, Johnston at 40, low 40s in East Providence, Tiverton coming in at 41, and Newport 42, South Kingstown down to 38 degrees. And similar temperatures in other towns and cities, upper 30s to low 40s, so that chill continues westerly, coming in at 41 degrees. Satellite and radar composite shows moisture really knocking on our doorstep. I mean, the bark worse than the bite here. In other words, the precipitation is being detected on radar, but again, the air is so dry that a lot of this is actually evaporating. But eventually, this will be working in later on this evening and during the overnight. There are winter weather advisories for central and northern New England, as close as Worcester County and up in northern New England. Sleet, freezing rain, and some wet snow anticipated in the areas shaded in blue. But even up here, a changeover to rain is likely. All due in part to this storm system across the Midwest. You can see a solid shield of rain that is still many, many miles away. This is actually going to arrive late tonight and at least through the first half of Friday, so we have some wet shopping weather on the way. You can see the colder air across New England right now. Little wedge of warmth across the Midwest, and this will try to sneak in overnight into tomorrow. That'll assure us of a mainly rain situation. So for this evening, cloudy and dry, temperatures in the upper 30s. Even 11 o'clock, the chances of precipitation are pretty small. However, later tonight while we're sleeping, it's a much better chance of rain. Excuse me, temperatures in the upper 30s, some areas of fog. So those folks that wait early in the morning for the stores to open up, it will be raining. So showers likely for Friday, 43 early in the morning, 52 by late morning, sunrise at 6:47. Rain continues into the early afternoon hours, thinking ending by around 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Towards the evening hours, it will be drier by 3, 4 o'clock with cloudy skies. Here it is in more detail for you Friday afternoon. The rain early, drier by evening. Temperatures in the mid-50s in most locations, upper 40s in our northern suburbs, and across southeastern Mass, upper 40s to mid-50s. Weekend preview, excuse me, looks dry and comfortable. Well, comfortable in the sense that we'll have some sunshine, but temperatures will be chilly, windy on Saturday, and cool on Sunday with a temperature at 45. 7-day Futurecast shows that dry weather for the weekend, but cold, pretty gusty on Saturday, quiet weather into Monday. And then by Tuesday and Wednesday, hopefully I'll get rid of this cold by then, and we'll have some showers late Tuesday into Wednesday. Temperatures approaching 60, so we're not through with mild temperatures, even though it's chilly right now. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody, and be safe traveling tomorrow. It will be wet.
Indeed. It's almost hard not to cough. It's just so dry out there.
Bone dry, the skin, the lips, all kind of dry and scratchy, so that's my excuse.
Feel better, Tony. Thank you. Coming up on Eyewitness News Live at 5, hundreds of thousands of people lined the streets of Manhattan today as an annual tradition went off without a hitch.